Ready. Safety and you're ready to go.
Bullets. 10 bullets is 31-20.
One.
A little bit more. What about you? Yeah?
Let me know when you want to switch.
Yeah?
Yep. Let's go down. Careful here.
3, please.
Good. You're ready.
Yes,
All right, check it out, guys. Come on over. So, with your left hand out, right hand here.
Out.
Front bead is your sight.
Excellent. Good job. I got you. What do you think?
Your safe
Smooth, right?
Yeah.
Pop it in. So
What's
you
better,
do
this or the game? Sam, ready to try it?
I like this shit, man.
Out?
I think so.
That's 25 rounds, yeah.
Do it again, man.
That's fast.
Video.
Okay,
Look at your target though, it's spraying all over.
Doesn't matter, right? All right, you ready? All right, safety and you're ready. Go on auto, push forward. Automatic.
So position inside.
Out.
Okay, safety.
It's safe.
Now safe. Go
Excellent.
down.
Good job, man.
Good.
Pretty nice, right?
Ready? Penetrate body.
All right, man. You've got the Galil.
Stronger recoil.
Familiar with it?
Sound.
Israel uses this. Now they use the M4s and the Tabor.
Safe.
So this one, basically, it's a
Automatic.
smaller caliber, a knockoff version of your dad's AK. So same 5.56 he shot out of his machine gun, just loose up. To start off, front portion of your magazine into the receiver and rotate back. Charging handle back, release, and you're ready to start. That's semi mode. Your selector goes one up for full auto.
Down.
And then right in here, old school line sight. So you gotta look through the peephole, front sight tip. That's where our rounds
Now,
are packed.
automatic.
Just like your AK, right?
Is it more or less the same?
Right.
Same, smaller caliber. It's the Israeli version.
You're done shooting, you have a little smiling.
It's okay, it's okay.
See? Alright. So it's going to be your selector here. You get accurate.
Good. Alright, charging hand. Pull back very hard and then release.
Now your sight
Good.
requires
Alright, you're ready. You're ready. Going auto. One up. One in the middle. Pull down. I got you. All right, full auto.
Down one. Good. Ready?
Out.
I'm going to move you to
Excellent.